we are talking about the air quality monitoring system, which when sent to a particular location, it receives information of the air quality and sends it to the mobile app, which is made in connection with the air quality monitoring system, so that it can detect some infectious diseases and things to the mobile app to see how it can be prevented to cause diseases.
And this has a part. This is called the transmitter, and if you look on it, we have the receiver, we have the microfire, and we have the GPS, which help us out in our mission.
The air quality monitoring system has sensors on board that sends information to a mobile phone that detects the quality of the air and the content in the air. For example, when a factory produces a lot of smoke into the air, the sensors on board are able to detect the smoke and are able to see that some diseases will occur. So we are able to prevent these diseases.
Thank you.
If it's going too far, then you try and land it. Because of trees, you need to reduce your altitude.